Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about Fantom. So what is happening with Fantom and should we be bullish or bearish? Before we begin, I would like to invite you to subscribe because it's really important to me, guys. So thank you and let's begin. Now, as you can see, Fantom has made a low here, high, then higher low, then higher high. Yes, so following these sort of steps, we know that Fantom is actually bullish, yes. But something that we need to take in consideration is the volume and another thing, this lower low, sorry. So we need to take into consideration this lower low. Why is that? Because we know that we're not following this pattern anymore, yes. We're not making higher lows anymore, but instead we've made a lower low, which may actually bring a lower high. So we may actually go up, find resistance, and then go down, yes? And this will actually create a head and shoulder pattern, as you can see, yes? So I do think that the head and shoulder pattern is actually going to be is going to be a thing soon. And another thing which concerns me is the fact that, as you can see, we're following this this pattern here. Yes, can you see these two lines? So the upper line is showing me that we have resistance at this level, and as you can see, we're making lower highs every single time. Yes, and even in the past, we've made a high, then we've made another high, and then a lower high, and then after that we went down. So now basically it's happening the same thing. So what I'm expecting is that, as I said, short term, we're going to make a right shoulder, a lower high, call it as you want, yes? So we're going to make this kind of push, and I do think it's going to be till 1.5-ish. Why is that? Because if I zoom in and go in the 4-hour time frame, we can see that our resistance levels, which are the moving average lines, they are anywhere between 1.46 and 1.54. Yes, so we know that we're going most likely to get attracted at these levels. So basically what happens after, and before I say what I was about to say, as you can see here, we have this sort of bottom. Yes, so this bottom is going to push out the price up to 2.5-ish, and then we're going back down. Yes, this is what I'm expecting. Anyway, so what is going to happen is that we're going to make a lower high, and after we make a lower high, most likely, so let's say we're going up like this, yes, and then after that, or we could even go higher, yes, it doesn't really matter. Anyway, what matters is that what's going to happen next. So I think two different things could actually happen. The first one is that we may actually go back on this area, find support, and then go higher, which is possible. The second one, which is the one that I actually believe is going to happen, is that we are going up, as I said, then down, and we are going back on this line, which is our primary trend. So we're going back to our primary trend. We're going to test our primary trend, see how it goes, if it goes well or if it doesn't. Now, another thing that we need to take into consideration is the fact that our 200 EMA line is at basically 1.75-ish. So because the drop after the right shoulder, which is going to be something like this, it could, as I said, could be actually higher than 2.5. We will see. It could be actually 2.58, 2.6-ish. We will see. But anyway, based on the right shoulder, we may actually find support down here at 1.8 or even back to 1.5. So if you are a short-term trader, yes, or short-term investor, or you just want to make some money, then I think buying Fantom now is not completely wrong. Yes, because we're close to super level, we can make some money. Because let's say, for instance, I go back to the 4-hour time frame, yes, and I buy now, or actually let's say I buy it at 2.1, and then it goes up by 18%. that's good profit for me. I do believe, yes. So it will go up. I'm quite confident about Fantom going up short term, but I think medium term we're not there yet. So short term bullish, medium term bearish, and long term, so weekly, monthly, we're bullish. So as you can see, my stock RSI is telling me that in the weekly we're going down, yes, which means that most likely at some point we'll go back to 1.5, 1.57, 1.6 ish, yeah, so in that area, which is going to bring, of course, the stock RSI back to the oversold level. Is going to move a little bit and then it will go higher. So long term, I believe we're bullish. So yeah, if you want to make some easy money, in my opinion, Fantom is not wrong for a trade. This is not financial advice, of course, guys. So short term, I think I do actually believe it's going to be alright. Medium term, as I said, is not the greatest, so I will suggest you to avoid Fantom if you're looking for a medium term investment. If you're planning to buy and hold, then you could easily get it cheaper, but if you really want to get it now, just do it. It's not too bad, yeah. So yeah, guys, this is it for today. As I said, I would like to invite you to keep an eye on Fantom, see how it reacts to the bullishness that is coming, and see how it reacts to the correction which is going to come after the bullish period. Yes. So this is it for today. See you tomorrow and have a nice day.